It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And we are at Heritage Ridge today, y'all. And we are going to tour this mini castle by Grand Homes. And this one is on a greenbelt, guys. So we'll see more when we get in to the backyard. And we are in. We are so in, guys. It's not even funny how in we are right now. Holy smokes. Living room. Informal. Stacked. With bay windows. Spiraling staircase. Look at that backsplash over there in the kitchen, y'all. We'll get to that in a sec. And a wine cellar. We'll open this just so you can kind of see these wine addicts, what they've placed in here. Definitely not Franzia, that's for sure. And sorry about that. I'll just scoot over this way. And y'all, we have a floor to ceiling stacked stone fireplace with a breakfast nook. Look at those lights over there, those black lights hanging on the wall. Makes a huge difference. Grand Homes is known for their lighting, guys. They have the most unique lighting ever. And look at this. This is called Brazilian granite countertops, guys. And it has a rainfall edge on both sides. And Brazilian granite as your backsplash. And I just want y'all to see this little view over here. And the pantry, standard pantry. But really, guys, what is the attention grabber is this open floor plan with your vaulted soaring ceilings. And there is a laundry room over there. We'll get there in a little bit. And this is the master bedroom, y'all. Vaulted ceilings, modern lighting fixture, awesome backsplash with those reading lights. And we have the master bath, everyone's favorite, double vanities, his and her vanities. Stand-up shower, garden tub with a walk-in closet. Lots of room, as you can see. And guys, these, there we go. Not sure what I said there, but we'll skip that part. I said go Cowboys, that's right. They didn't do too well in the playoffs, dang. But we'll get them next year. And guys, the starting price for this model is going to be $854,900. That is your base price on this model. Again, look at those imported Brazilian granite countertops. And this model is approximately 3,761 square feet. And here is the upstairs, y'all, with that modern lighting fixture. And bird's eye view of the lower floor. And we have the game room. Vaulted ceilings up here. They did a real good job with the ceiling heights, guys. And there's your little media room. So you have a stacked game room and media room, overlooking the lower level. And we have a study desk for those young scholars. Shout out to those scholars. Good sized bedrooms. Up here, as you can see, more than enough room for whatever your child or guest may desire. And we have a Jack and Jill. And a shower tub combo right here, which is perfect for children, babies, teens, young adolescents, adults, and in-laws. And we're gonna take another look at this just so y'all can soak it in. And we are gonna head back downstairs, y'all. And there is an in-law suite over here to the right, which we will go in. Stage as an office, but it's an in-law suite, or you can make it an office, honestly, whichever one you prefer. And it has the full bath, that's why it could be the in-law suite. But whatever your needs and wants are, it's a flex area. And man, I can't tell you how good of a job they did with that Brazilian granite. That is world famous, y'all. And we'll take another look over here from this angle. And we will head outside, y'all. And here is the pool. The pool does not come with the model unless the model is being sold, but it tells you, can give you a good idea of what kind of pool you can fit back here. Pretty good sized with the greenbelt. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please hit that subscribe button and like button. That would mean a lot to me and my business. And just another look at that pool, y'all. Really nice pool. And it's got the fire pit over there as well. And we'll take a look at the back of the house just like this. But yeah, y'all, that's Grand Home. This is Grand Homes at Heritage Ridge. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.